Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now loading one such question that came in your NEET examination. This question came on NEET 2021. So let us see this question first. Question says the number of photon per second on an average emitted by the source of monochromatic light of wavelength 600 nanometer when it delivers the power of 3.3 into 10 to the minus 3 watt will be, where h is the Planck's constant which have been given to you. So that means you have to find out the number of photon emitted each second on an average emitted by a monochromatic source of light. If a monochromatic source of light is emitting certain energy in the form of radiation, so it is emitting photons. Okay, so in photons is emitted per second. So how many photons it is emitting per second, that you need to find out. Okay, and the energy and the wavelength of each photon is also given to you. So wavelength is given by, so wavelength is nothing but 600 nanometer, which is 600 into 10 to the power minus 9 meters. So this is the wavelength of photon, each photon emitted each second. Okay, and the energy of this each photon is given by relationship h into nu, where nu is the frequency of each photon. Okay, and h is the Planck's constant, which it is given by relationship h is equal to c by lambda, where c is the speed of light and lambda is the wavelength of each photon. So you can easily find out the energy of each photon by this relation, where h is 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34 into 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 600 into 10 to the power minus 9. Okay, so 3, 2 and 2, 3.3. So eventually 34, 8 and 9 and 2. So it would be 3.3 into 10 to the power minus 19. This much of joule of energy is possessed by each photons. Okay, this source delivers this much of energy each second. So the energy delivered is 3.3 into 10 to the power minus 3 watt, which is nothing but 3.3 into 10 to the power minus 3 joule per second. So that means with each second this much of energy has been delivered. Okay, and energy delivered each second by each photon is this. So how many such type of photons would be there, that you need to find out. So the number of photons must be equal to E by this relationship, where E is nothing but this is the energy delivered per second. Okay, and energy delivered by a single photon is this much. So you can easily find out the number of photons emitted. So it would be equivalent to 3.3 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 3.3 so it would be 3.3 into 10 to the power minus 19. So it would be 10 to the power 16. So this is the number of photons emitted per second by this monochromatic source of light. Okay, so the answer would be third. Okay, I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.